welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So for this video, I will be doing a shopping haul from Kmart and from the cheap shop. We call it Smart Dollar here in Australia. So I got some Christmas stuff, bit some pieces from the Smart Dollar, and of course from Kmart I got a Industrial Ladder Bookshelf. Yeah, and so when we put it all together, it will look like this. It's so pretty. So hopefully, fingers crossed, it will fit well here. You know where I am right now. So this one here. So we're gonna place it in here because last year we have a DVD cabinet here, and we move it in the other side of the corner in the lounge, which we kind of like it the way it was right there. So yes guys, I'm very excited to decorate after we put this one together. Yeah, I'm very excited. So this one, it's similar as this, but it's not a ladder shape this one. It's just like a straight one. And of course I got here a bag. See guys, and I'm gonna do the haul from Kmart first. Not much, I didn't get much at Kmart. So, it's only actually 3 items. So this one, of course, I think we got this one for $49. Let me just check. Sorry, it's 45. We got this for $45. And of course, ang kikay. And I found this cute headband from Kmart as well. Normally it's $7 and down to $3.50. Very good bargain. Let me try this one on guys, huh? Yeah, let me try this one. It's kind of cute. I like the color. Wow, look at it guys. And then if I put my hair down, it will look nice. Look too big. It's a bit big. But yeah, I think it will look nice when if I put my hair down. And of course, this one, a bandana. I don't know what they call this one, but it's a bandana. So I got two. That one. Normally it's $5. Down to $2.50. It's half price. And let me try this one on now. I'm very excited. We put this one in this side, in the other side. Oh, it's so cute. I like it, guys. See, it's only $2.50. It's cutie. See, cute. I love it. That one. So I'm just gonna leave it like that. And of course, the one that I got from Hot Dollar, I got this one. It's a very light one. Christmas ornament. So this is $2. And of course, this one for our Christmas tree. I got 3 of these. It's only $2 as well. It's a ribbon. Yeah, I got $3. And yeah, that one. Not $3. I got 3 pieces for only $2 each. And of course, I got another one. It's name tag. Gift label pala yan. This one. So this is only $2 guys. As in, di ba ang cute? Ayan, $2. And it has 120 pieces. See, 120 pieces. And cute niya. I think it's all the same design, but yeah. And yeah guys, that's all we got. And then we're gonna show you the finished product, this one, once we finish decorating. Yay, I'm very excited. So we'll see you there guys. We'll see you soon. the bookshelf, and it looks really good. And yeah, see, I'm gonna show you what it looks like, what we've done here. So it looks pretty good, as in it's all worth it for the price, $45 from Kmart. And it's a very good quality as well. It's so easy to build, and of course you can design anything you like, as in it's all worth it. I really love it, and it's very stable. Yes, so that's all for today, everybody. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you next time. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you, everyone. Bye. I'll see you later.